YouTube. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to understand a simple Python program. Now today we're not going to be writing any code, we're just going to be looking at general code and being able to interpret that. Now if you've already programmed before, you'll have a massive advantage in this. Okay, so firstly I'm going to show you some code. I'm going to in one of my text editors, I'm going to create a file called test.py. Oh, that already exists. How about youtube.py? And you see it's a new file. If you're on Mac and okay, I'm going to write a simple program first actually. Okay, so this is my very basic program, and what I'm gonna do, well actually I've already done it. Now I save this and close it. Now if I do list, you can see that youtube.py exists over here. So now I've got that, I need to make it executable. So this is only on Linux, and that you can do this. You can automatically run it in Windows if you go on. Actually, I'll show you now. But first, what this is prints hello YouTube. If you're on Windows, the way you run it will be to go into your idle. I mean, I'm using Ubuntu, but this is the idle. New file, new window. Here we are. You can just type print and whatever you want to print in there. But hello YouTube. Go run module. You have to save it before you can run it. I'll save it as windows.py, and when you run it, hello YouTube. That's literally all you need to do. Run module, hello YouTube. Same goes with Mac, but I prefer, if you use Mac or Linux, is to use it my way. To go into Nano and create a file, in this case youtube.py. And here it is, youtube.py, print hello YouTube. Now I'm going to explain to you what these different parts mean. Okay. Hashbang user bin Python. Now, that I'm warning you now, do not include that if you do not know where your Python executable is located. And I'm going to show you how to do that. If you save it, yeah. When you exit, first thing you need to do, if you don't know where it's located, is type which and Python. This is only Mac and Linux, and in my case it's user bin Python, but in some people have it user bin env Python. In Windows, you do not need to do this. I'm going to stress that now because I don't want to say it again. So here it is. So if it's user bin env Python, you literally just change it to meet yours. But mine's user bin Python. But what happens if I run that at the moment? If I run that and I've saved it, a bash, a user bin env Python, bad interpreter, not a directory. And that basically means a folder. User bin Python. Now, I think you can all guess what hello YouTube does. Well, it prints hello YouTube to the screen. And that is literally how to understand. That is your first Python program. I mean, I advise you now to play around with the Python interpreter, print various things. see what happens if you try to print a number. I mean, go into your idle once again. If you're on Windows, use this idle, and instead of doing new window, you only use new window if you want to create programs. If you just want to use the idle, just use this. Print stuff in the middle, prints that. What happens if I print 6? Still print 6. Let's try to do some maths. What happens if I print 6 plus 7? Will it print? No, print 13. If you wanted to print 6 plus 7, you'd do print 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7. And I'll leave that to you to play around with. I won't be, some of the time I won't test you, others I will. And I'll give you your first task. Okay. First Python task. I want you to write a program that prints hello world to the screen. Prints hello world to the screen, and then print YouTube is amazing. So that's all I want you to do this week. Write a program that prints hello world to the screen and prints YouTube is amazing on the next line. And you can do it with the code I've just shown you. Simple. And before I go, I'm going to say one more time, if you're on Windows, you do not need to use the hashbang user bin Python or whatever it is, if for other Mac systems even. Just hashbang user bin Python for Linux and Mac. See you next time. Like and subscribe and comment if you have any improvements. Thank you.